Next, we're actually going to be installing the hohem Joy app. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is, let me just brighten up the screen. Go into Play Store. This is actually on a Samsung Flip. Search for hohem Joy, as you can see here. And instantly you'll see this coming up, hohem Joy, install. It's done. So tap on open. Some of this, just agree, allow sending notification, allow, right. So you'll see the main page here. So what we can do next is, let's see, let's sign up, Singapore, right, email. Alright, so once you're done with everything, just make sure you check on this and you click next. Right, and over here you just have the next screen. You say some of your hobbies. Next. Right, you can actually skip this whole part. I'll just skip this whole part.